All right, today we're gonna bring a large heavy-duty fan, and as you guys can see, beautiful aesthetics on it for any kind of steampunk ambiance. If you guys are looking for real metal, if you guys can see all around the whole system, it's a little heavy-duty. We weighed it. It's about 12 pounds. It comes with every accessory you see. It has an extension to make it taller and longer if you have tall ceilings. All right. Now, my recommendation when you're setting this up, make sure you have a strong top. All right, make sure you're actually in the actual wood, because this is solid metal. Really strong cage, LED light, built-in fan. You guys can see 3 propeller fan. They have a shorter stem, so for those that want to set up the actual shorter version of the fan. And then of course here comes the remote control. On the remote control, this is the actual controller that you're going to require, but this is the remote that you're going to set up. So the remote's very simple: off and on, reverse and forward, 1 through 6, different types of lights, on and off lights, and you could dim them down on both ends. On and off lights, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. So we're going to set this up today, and we're going to test it out, see how well it works. So this, make sure you have strong wood roof for this one, or a back wood. This is how it's going to go. All right, this part right here, if you guys can see, it has the actually to screw it into the top, to this part right here. So I'm going to see if I can, right there, you screw this part. So this is one piece. Make sure you put in the wire, run it through here, and then set it up on the bottom. You don't really have to put any light bulb, any fans, or any propellers. This pretty much just goes in here. When you're ready, just hang it up and set it up. So we're going to do that. We're going to set it up on the ground. All right, so this is the actual light. If you guys can see it, we're going to turn it off, completely off. All right, turn it on. To turn it on, you could just turn on the middle button because it turns off both of them. Fan, we're going to put one, level 1 fan. And look at the fan. Nice breeze fan. It's turning on. We could go all the way to 6. And you could really hear it. Very flush. We put the tall ceiling part. We're gonna stop the fan. We try the lights now. So on the lighting itself, this is the best part about it. You have the yellow one right now. See the yellow one? And then we go to the white one, which is the center. And then we go to the actual blue one, more like a blue light. We got 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. And then we have light on and off. And then we could dim it down. So if you like this color tone light, you could dim it down, and then you can increase it. I like that they give you 3 different colors in there out of the out of the blue right there. Just easy to set up. This is probably my favorite one because it's the brightest one. You got reverse fan, forward fan. We hit 1, goes 1 through 6, and I can feel the breeze from here. We hit the stop fan. Or if you have both of them on, I want to turn it back on, you could hit the power button here and it'll turn off both of them at the same time.